If you have ever co-designed a website or you're working with a client, you know how important it is to collaborate and get the feedback so you can make those changes. Within the builder, you have a great collaboration tool. To the sidebar on the left and just under global styling, we have the collaborate option. Quickly have a look at the page that I've created here. So what I want to do is I want my client or my colleague to go through this page and give me feedback as to I don't like this color or I don't like this image or can you move this? What I do is I set them up as a team member, and then when we select collaborate, basically what it does is it opens a new instance in your browser with a copy of the page as an image. This is not a builder, so you cannot move anything around, you cannot add anything, you cannot delete it, you cannot make color changes. What you can do is add comments within your role, and then others can also add, and you can go through the list. Note my cursor has changed to this icon, and what I can do anywhere on my page that I want to make changes is simply click on it. Make a comment, change this to a profile pic, and then select who can see it, all members or only a specific person, and then click on comment. Whoever has access to this project and workspace will also be able to leave comments back to me. Once it is resolved, I can select resolved. I can also go ahead and edit the comment or delete it. From the sidebar on the left to the top, you will see you can select the comments. Here I have the comment that I've added. I can filter through them from desktop, tablet, mobile, and I can also choose which pages I want to show. In this case, I only have one page. Select the comment, it will go to that area on the page and you can make changes. Once a comment has been resolved, you can check it off. And then you have the option here in the bottom left corner to select hide resolved. Now only active comments will appear. You have the ability to cycle through the desktop, tablet and mobile. Just note that every time you select it, it will load a new instance of the site so that you can leave comments to it. After you've done all your edits and you want to go back to editing in the builder, simply select here Edit Page, and this will take you right back into the builder.